Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best trip to Himachal Pradesh. First, let's plan your unforgettable journey. Himachal offers diverse experiences, so consider what you want most from your trip. Whether it's thrilling adventures or serene escapes, careful planning ensures a smooth and enjoyable visit. Remember to account for travel time between destinations, which can vary significantly due to mountainous terrain. Booking early secures better deals and availability, especially during peak seasons. Prepare for an incredible adventure. Himachal Pradesh boasts numerous breathtaking locations, each offering a unique flavor. Shimla, the Queen of Hills, provides a glimpse into historical elegance. Manali is perfect for thrill seekers and nature lovers, with opportunities for paragliding and rafting. Dharamshala, home to the Dalai Lama, offers a peaceful retreat. For the truly adventurous, Spiti Valley presents a high-altitude desert landscape unlike anywhere else, with monasteries dating back over 1,000 years. Each destination promises distinct memories. Himachal Pradesh is a playground for all types of travelers. Trekking enthusiasts can find trails ranging from easy walks to challenging multi-day expeditions, offering panoramic views. For adrenaline junkies, whitewater rafting on the Bees River or paragliding in Saling Valley are must-dos. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the local culture by trying Himachali cuisine and exploring bustling bazaars. Attending a local festival, if your timing is right, provides a vibrant insight into the region's rich traditions. To make your Himachal trip smooth and enjoyable, consider these practical tips. Traveling by local transport can save you money and offer a more authentic experience. Budget around 2,000 to 3,000 Indian rupees per person per day for a comfortable trip, excluding major adventure activities. Always carry a small medical kit, especially for high-altitude areas. Remember to respect the local culture and keep the beautiful environment clean. These small efforts ensure a memorable and responsible journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.